Okay, here's the rest of my little mobile home. You can see I'm very artistic and creative. When we moved in, I created this whole backsplash and updated this whole kitchen, the countertop, the backsplash. I had some help, but mostly I did this myself. I updated my bathroom. I guess I could turn a light on. It's my little bathroom where I made my own. I did the tile myself and put front paper and decorated, and there's some of my art from when I was a teen, and now I'm much better at my art. Here is my little bedroom. It's a little messy because I'm still getting ready for my camping trip. There's some jackets and things, and there's my Rock Pals is charging, and my other little vault is also charging for tomorrow. And so now it's my little bedroom. I keep things very handy. I'm disabled, a little bit disabled, so I really have to have more stuff out than I would like, because I'm trying to keep life convenient and easier. So I have chronic pain, and it's hard for me to bend over a lot and do lots of things down below. So I have an Eco Dot, and so Alexa helps me turn on things and off things that are low to the ground. And there's my little altar, and there's my art area. When I'm home and don't have much to do, I create some paintings. I got one there. Looks like I have to fix that one. There's my window. The cats, there's a shelf for the cats, and they love that. Okay, so that's my tiny home living. And now I'm going to be moving into my van in the morning for several weeks. Hopefully I'll be meeting some great people. All right. Cersei, here's one of my special pups that are going to be coming with us on our trip. All right, thanks for watching, and I will be back.